This is Bill and Deb north of the Florida Weekend Warriors. We're here in Toccoa, Georgia at Toccoa Falls for Zach's wedding. We got some other adventures planned for this weekend too. Stay tuned. We'll see ya.
See ya.
I'm not sure this is the way to the winery. Oh man.
This isn't even the bad part.
Oh.
Jamming out. I think we're on number 8.
Number 8? Lisa, do you want me to jump up and down? No? I can do that for you. No? We arrived the day before the wedding in the afternoon, and we get antsy and want to do something. So we look on the internet and we find this Currahee Vineyard, and there's a lookout tower on the mountain right next to the vineyard. And according to the internet, we can look out and see the vineyard from the lookout tower all the way up on the top of the mountain. We're sure glad we had four-wheel drive because it got awful bumpy going up there.
Oh, why don't you just look out the window? If you go over here more.
Wow, I'm pretty sure
no cussing on the camera.
The camera's still on.
What is she doing now? She's always getting us in trouble. Thinks I'm gonna run over people? Good thing we got four-wheel drive.
Who would run in this stuff?
I would.
You would run in this, Kyle?
Yeah.
I remember the last time you ran and got me a newspaper. Didn't turn out good.
Nope. Quite some time ago. Got new
But not
feet.
far from here.
That's right.
It wasn't far from here.
Where was that at? Amalacola?
Yeah.
Yep.
So where are you guys at now?
Top of a mountain.
Top of a mountain, but there's a winery right by it. That we're gonna go to.
We'll send you a pin when we get there. Yeah, because the weather's crappy.
Holy crap, you can't see
Well, we're gonna
anything.
be on the top of the mountain?
Well, no, we're not going to be at the top of the mountain because we just.
Well, what car did you bring? Okay, well he can go to the top of the mountain.
Well, by the time he's still got to
It's-
put this
it's-
up at the hotel.
Can't see anything.
We're at the top of this mountain.
The view from the lookout is supposed to look like this. I pulled this off the internet. You can see it's too cloudy to see anything, so we go exploring on the lookout tower. Looks like a lot of people come up here and they party up here. There's graffiti everywhere. To the top of the mountain. There's a circular trail that goes all around these towers, and it's a big loop. Believe it or not, my phone only got 3 bars from up here. I thought I'd at least get 5. We get discouraged, and we end up heading back to town to try to find the winery. I'm not sure this is the way to the winery. Oh, man.
This isn't even the bad part.
Oh. Oh, man. We'll make it there. We'll get there.
Boy, there's some impeccable water on this.
Oh, man. We found the winery.
Must be expanding. Business must be good.
Yep.
Got some PPP money.
I bet he did.
Say that.
She's got to talk constantly.
Oh, there's cornhole.
The Currahee Winery is owned by the Munson family. It used to be an apple orchard, and in 2009 they converted it into a winery. They currently have 12 wines, and you can even buy their wine on the internet. It's a very nice place. They have private events there, but usually during the week. They used to do weddings, but they don't do weddings anymore because they said it just gets too busy on the weekends. We really enjoyed our time here.
beautiful. Too bad it's so foggy, but it's actually very pretty with the fog.
Hopefully the fog lifts soon.
Jamming out. I think we're on number 8.
Number 8.
Zach and Hannah's wedding is not till 6 o'clock at night, so we get up early the next morning and we head to the Tallulah Gorge, which is only about a 25-minute ride away. And then we decide to hike all the way down to the bottom of the canyon.
Beautiful.
A suspension bridge goes all the way across the gorge. It's just held up by cables, so it shakes quite a bit when you walk across it. Once you get all the way across, there's more steps to go down. In total, it takes 1,200 steps to get all the way down to the bottom of the gorge. But when you get down there, it's gorgeous.
Lacey, do you want me to jump up and down? No? I can do that for you. No? Woo.
See how my husband waits for me.
Where are we going, Kyle? That was a lot of steps. 347, 221. Gorge access.
Yeah, let's go left.
Go left? Alright. I don't think this is the way to the winery.
No.
You think so, Mrs. Lubner?
You're gonna need the winery after this.
Okay. We're going down to the bottom. Here we are.
Look, the water, it's coming through a rock hole. See it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Wait a second.
Oh. So pretty.
Yeah. I can really see.
We finally make it all the way down to the bottom of the gorge, and it's gorgeous down here. My legs are getting a little shaky, so I'm kind of concerned about the ride up. It's 1,200 steps back up to the top. On the opposite side of the gorge is a trail that goes to the top, and it looks like you can go back to the parking lot, but you can't. To get back to your car, you still got to go back across this same bridge to get back to your car.
What do you think, Deb?
Love it, love it.
Hold on.
Beautiful.
No cameras are allowed at the wedding. So we decided to check out the wedding venue in advance before the wedding, before we go back and get ready for the wedding. Toccoa Falls is 186 feet tall, and it's a beautiful spot to have a wedding. It's actually located on the Toccoa Falls College in Stevens County, Georgia. It's really a quaint little spot.
What do you think, Nikki?
Beautiful.
In 1977, a dam upriver broke, and the flood killed 39 people. They were swept away to their deaths. And there's a memorial on the college campus for the people that died during that flood.
Okay, Dave, you gotta go say something. You got your good luck pineapple shirt on. Just say why we're here.
All right.
All right, Zach.
This is the wedding site for Zach and Hannah's wedding today, but unfortunately with the COVID virus, they're only allowing 50 people, so it's immediate family only, so we're going to live stream it at the rehearsal. So this is just the venue. It's beautiful backdrop. Beautiful.
It says no fishing.
It's time to head back to the hotel and get ready for the wedding. We'll see you there.
Direct your attention towards the hallway. It is my honor to introduce to you, for the second time, make a thunderous round of applause for Mr. and Mrs. Abbott!
Before we knew it, the wedding was over. We want to wish Zach and Hannah the very best, and we hope you like this video. If so, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please subscribe to our channel. We see you on our next adventure. See ya!